In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a checkbox in Google Sheets, a simple yet effective way to manage tasks or track activities directly within your spreadsheet. Whether you're coordinating a team project or just organizing your personal to-do list, adding checkboxes can provide an excellent visual cue to see what's been done and what's still pending. To begin, open your web browser and head over to Google Sheets. If you're unfamiliar with this tool, simply go to sheets.google.com and you'll be directed to the main page. Once you're there, you'll want to either select an existing document that you wish to edit or create a new one. For those creating a new document, you can do this quickly by clicking on the blank button within Google Sheets, which will open a fresh spreadsheet for you to work with. Once your document is open, decide where you'd like to insert the checkboxes. Click on the specific cell or range of cells where you intend to add these checkboxes. This will depend largely on the structure of your spreadsheet and what kind of data or tasks you're looking to manage. Keep in mind that you can select multiple cells at once if you need checkboxes in multiple places by clicking and dragging your cursor over the desired area. Next, move your cursor to the top of your screen where you'll see the main menu. Click on Insert, which is typically located towards the center of the menu bar at the top. This drop-down menu offers a range of options that you can incorporate into your sheet. From here, all you need is to find and click on Tick Box. This action automatically adds a checkbox into the cells you previously selected. And that's it. You've now successfully inserted checkboxes into your Google Sheets document. To use them, simply click on the box and a check mark will appear, indicating that the task is complete. You can always click again to remove the check mark if needed. It's important to note that checkboxes in Google Sheets aren't just for looks. They can also be functionally tied to other spreadsheet features. For example, you can use them in conditional formatting to change the appearance of cells based on whether a box is checked or not. You could also incorporate them into formulas to dynamically update the sheet as tasks are completed. So, have fun exploring these possibilities as you become more familiar with using checkboxes in Google Sheets to streamline your workflows.